BigCartel B2B Honest Review, Watch Before Using. In this video, I'm diving into BigCartel's B2B platform and giving you an honest look at what it offers. If you're considering using BigCartel for your business, whether you're selling physical products, digital downloads, or subscription services, this review will help you decide if it's the right choice. I've included links to the product in the description for more information. BigCartel is designed with small to medium-sized businesses in mind. It's user-friendly, making it easy for entrepreneurs to set up an online store without requiring extensive technical skills or a huge budget. The platform offers a clean, minimalistic design, which helps your products stand out without unnecessary distractions. You get a selection of templates that are fully customizable, so you can tweak everything from colors to layout to match your brand identity. One of the standout features of BigCartel is its affordability. It's one of the most cost-effective options out there for starting an online store. The pricing plans are straightforward, with no hidden fees. You can choose from different tiers based on how many products you plan to sell, starting at just $9 per month. This makes it accessible even for very small businesses or side hustlers who want to keep initial costs low. BigCartel also integrates well with popular payment gateways, so you can easily accept payments from customers via PayPal, Stripe, and more. This ensures smooth transactions and helps you avoid the hassle of setting up a separate payment system. Customer support is available, though it's worth noting that response times can vary, so it's always a good idea to set up your store well in advance of any big product launches. Ultimately, BigCartel is an excellent choice if you're looking for a simple, cost-effective solution to start selling your products online. Whether you're just getting started or looking for a streamlined platform to expand your business, BigCartel delivers on the basics without overwhelming you with options. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel to get more honest insights on tools and platforms that can help your business grow.